Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about Windows. In the context of computing, Windows typically refers to the Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows is a widely used family of graphical user interface (GUI) operating systems that runs on personal computers, servers, and other devices. It provides a platform for running software applications, managing files and folders, and interacting with hardware. There have been various versions of Microsoft Windows over the years, with Windows 10 and Windows 11 being some of the most recent as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. Windows operating systems are known for their user-friendly interface and compatibility with a wide range of software and hardware. It's worth noting that Windows can also refer to the individual graphical user interface elements on your computer screen, such as application windows, dialog boxes, and File Explorer windows. These elements are used for displaying and interacting with the content and functions of software applications. Based of operating system, client-based operating system, server-based operating system, client-based operating system. A client-based operating system is typically designed to run on individual personal computers or devices. It provides the user interface and manages hardware and software resources for that specific device. Common examples of client-based operating system include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. These operating systems are tailored to meet the needs of end users and provide features like file management, application support, and user customization. In contrast, server-based operating systems are designed to manage and facilitate communication between multiple client devices or users, typically in a networked environment. Operating system editions or versions. Client-based operating systems, like Windows or Mac OS, often have multiple editions or versions tailored to different user needs. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, here are some examples. Windows, Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise, Windows 10 Education, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Pro. Please note that Microsoft regularly updates its operating systems, so there may be newer versions or editions available since my last update. macOS, macOS Big Sur, macOS Catalina, macOS Mojave, macOS High Sierra. Apple typically releases a new version of macOS annually, with slight variations and improvements in each release. For the most up-to-date information on operating system editions and versions, I recommend visiting the official websites of Microsoft for Windows and Apple for macOS, or checking for updates on your device if you have access to it. Server-based operating system. A server-based operating system, often referred to as a server OS, is an operating system specifically designed to run on servers. These operating systems are optimized for tasks and functions that are common in server environments, such as managing network resources, handling multiple user connections, and providing various server services. Some popular server OS options include Windows Server, Microsoft Server Operating System, which includes versions like Windows Server 2019 and Windows Server 2022. Linux. Various Linux distributions like CentOS, Ubuntu Server, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux are widely used as server operating systems due to their stability, security, and open-source nature. Unix. Some organizations still use Unix-based operating systems like AX, HPX, or Solaris for their servers. Server operating systems typically come with features like scalability, robust security, remote administration tools, and support for running server applications such as web servers. Examples: Apache or Nginx, database servers. Examples: MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server, and file servers. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comments, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.